Yeah, see it? Working, getting the job done, getting everything lowered down, and spraying into the compost heap. So, yeah, lucky we actually have a situation you can see it working, having no problem. It does, once you get down to a certain level, you do have to, 8 millimeters I think is the minimum. It comes with this, a nice long cord. I'm not using it as of right now because of the job that I'm at. And it does come with an instruction manual. It's a little bit simple, but it does come with one, and it does give you the basics of how to get it set up and what the parameters are. So, yeah, this is it's taking care of business, getting things done. I can now see the heads of the solenoids and stuff. So we'll get there.